right, where are we going?
Simpson Spring. Yummy.
Simpson Spring.
Soda.
Do you know much about it?
Yeah, it's like one of the first natural springs in America.
I don't know about that.
Fresh water? No? I don't know. They
Well,
make good soda.
Here's some of the stuff I researched that I found about it. You want to hear about it?
Yeah.
All right. So first of all, it's located at 719 Washington Street, South Easton, Massachusetts. So they strive to preserve and protect Simpson Spring, a vital part of their local history, the foundation of the business, and the source of the quality of their products. Simpson Spring is a family-owned and operated company that provides pure bottled spring water and all-natural handcrafted soda in a variety of classic flavors. In 1878, their building was built around a geometrical spring. And I'll explain that in a little bit.
Geometrical.
Thermal. Geothermal. Whoops. Now I can't even say it. All right, we bottle real spring water and make soda with our spring water. And they also do seltzer and stuff. The spring itself dates back to 6000 BC. The Wampanoag Indian tribe lived there until the 1600s, when the smallpox epidemic and King Philip's War destroyed their population. Their family prides themselves on Simpson Spring's storied history, which began in southeastern Massachusetts more than 140 years ago with the discovery of the natural bubbling spring. Since that time, the company has been an adventure in the American dream, flourishing with advances in technology, remaining independent amidst industry consolidation. There are less than 100 independent bottlers left in the United States. So what's geothermal spring? What does that mean?
Geothermal.
Yeah, geothermal.
It's heated by the
Oh, you're so smart. I looked it up.
earth.
I looked it up and it says have been used for geothermal springs have been used for bathing, washing, and cooking for thousands of years. Also means hot springs. So this water is heated groundwater that emerges from the Earth's crust. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Geologists believe that Simpson Spring gets its start in northern Canada and then travels deep underground hundreds of miles to southeastern, where a fissure allows it to bubble up to the surface. And a fissure, I looked up, which you have to say fissure, spring water definition, means an intensive crack, break, or fracture in the rocks. That's where it comes up, bubbles, and it's called a fissure. So, okay, so let's go see what it's all about.
Well, it should be noted that their machines, they have an excellent formula for sarsaparilla and root beer, but for some reason their machines have been down, so they're not making their own.
Since COVID, huh?
So they're importing, I guess, or using other people's sodas. But the closest one I can find that they sell is Empire, which I'll show you when we get there.
Which I thought they were still making their seltzers. Are they?
Well, it may be because that's just water, right? I don't know. We'll have to ask.
I don't remember now. I guess we'll find out when we get there.
Here it is. Yay.
There it is. Fresh
cut flowers.
Oh. It's a pretty drive. You wouldn't even know it was down here.
Yeah.
It's all hidden away.
The Wampanoag Indians must have traveled far back here.
I wonder if the forest was thicker.
2 hours later.
Whisper.
Oh, there it is.
Simpson Spring. The water is pretty tasty. coconut vinegar. Never heard of that. A lot of meats, chicken breast. Let me get some sandwiches over here. And they sell a lot of stuff. Sometimes they have vendors here who do a lot of stuff. You ever heard of coconut vinegar?
No.
I got a bottle of coconut vinegar over there.
These are really warm.
Alpaca.
These are warm. I wear them in the winter.
Yeah.
Super warm.
Yeah.
Have too much for none.
Malted milk balls, peanut butter. Really. That's one of the original delivery trucks, I believe. Cool. That's where they bottle everything. Yeah. I'm gonna go fill up a case. You get a box there. Here's the ones. Empire. Pretty good. Close. Simpson Spring is better, but when the machines get back online, I get them with some of that. Do a little bit of this. See, this is the Empire from Bristol, Rhode Island. It's good. What'd you have?
Look what I found. They have honey, raw, unfiltered honey from Simpson Spring, from their own meadow.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got a latte.
Spicy plum chutney. Lots of
It's really
cheeses.
good. And they sweeten it with stevia. Here's all the honey.
Yeah.
They have some from other places.
Why is some of it darker than others?
Because this one's older. This one's newer, newly. And then as it gets older, see, it starts to harden and turn color as it gets older and aged.
See?
It's still good. See, this you can tell it's aging.
Yeah. Where's the quail eggs?
Right here.
Oh.
Have you ever had one?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I wanted to show you?
What?
They have, look, I want to show you this. So they do their own yogurt, Greek yogurt, but I don't know where they get their milk from. But look at this. It's beets, like, kind of like sauerkraut. And it's naturally fermented. I don't know if you wanted to try it or not. I was going to show you that.
Yeah, that might be good.
The beets.
Yeah, I like beets.
Read what's the ingredients. Where is it? Right here. It's just cabbage, beets, and sea salt. And it's naturally fermented. Alright, let's close it.
I'll try
They
it.
have honey butter.
Honey butter.
That sounds yummy.
That'd be good on toast.
Guess we can make our own. They have homemade granola.
Truffle crisps.
Full pasta.
Yeah.
Look, it's made with farro wheat. And they also, I saw they had, see, kamut, which is a different kind of ancient grain. Oh, salt, look, Martha's Vineyard. And then they have, where was this from? Oh, Maine. Salt, sea salt from Maine. Ocean State. Pepper. This coffee is really good.
Yeah.
I would give it definitely 10 cookies for this.
Really?
It's really good.
Huh.
Look at this apple balsamic. Oh, I wonder if it's like We got to do that store. You know,
Yeah.
the olive oil and balsamic.
Yeah.
Got to do that.
There's duck fat cooking oil
Oh, look,
spray.
lamb tallow. No way. I've never heard of that. And then you got
There's some natural spray.
duck. Well, let's see. You always got to look. Oh, it just says duck fat. Huh. Interesting. I've never heard of that as a cooking spray. It's from Omaha, Nebraska. Right now I just use avocado oil, but that's interesting. Look, they got, this is pork lard. This is good for making pies in place of Crisco.
Yeah.
Definitely. But I would get this premium cooking oil for, I don't know what the difference is. Maybe they just changed the label. But this is good for making pies. I use that in place of Crisco. This all looks good. I have not researched lamb tallow, but I'm sure it's good. Look, brown buttered ghee. That's cool.
Yeah.
A lot of neat stuff. I have this. I think I have that. This is good for like French fries and stuff.
Pure tallow?
Yeah.
Is that cow or?
This is cow. This is so it's the fat that's on the outside of the kidney, I believe. And this is the fat that's outside of the pork, the pig. And it's a lot lighter, so that's why it's really good for pie making and baking. Versus this is more for like frying.
Spaghetti
What is
sauce.
this ketchup? No. Oh, fresh chopped tomatoes. Those look like good pickles. But I like Bubby's pickles. They're naturally fermented.
Yeah.
They're good for your gut.
That's a fun. I like going there. Sometimes they have bands there. Sometimes they have a lot of vendors.
He said that they would do tours if they have enough people that want to go on a tour. And they'll tour the building. And there's a lot of cool stuff upstairs. You can go up there and they show you. It's all set up like it was when, like probably the 1900s maybe. And it's got some really cool, it's a very cool tour if you ever get a chance to go on.
Yeah, we got some pictures of the Fisher, the upstairs.
Yeah.
There's a lot of history.
From when we did that a long time ago.
Wish I could get my hands on their formula for the sarsaparilla.
Yeah, so does Coke. Remember?
Yeah.
I guess Coke wanted to buy their product long time ago, and they wouldn't sell, which is sad because they're not making their stuff. So they should at least make it in another manufacturer or something.
Yeah.
It's sad. I don't want it to go to waste because that was the best soda I've ever had. You think Coke's good? Not even close to this place. Simpson Spring has the best soda. It's just too bad they're not making it.
Yeah.
And they have good seltzer.
But they got good water, good seltzer.
Oh, and I got their coffee though. Their coffee was great.
Made with their water.
Yeah, it was great.
But I mean, it's not like a mind-blowing experience, like a roller coaster amusement park. But it's
Just
fun.
fun.
Fun thing to do, And it's walk in, pick up some neat ingredients, something healthy for you. What do you think?
They try to get mostly things that are local and around the area.
I enjoy
Pretty
coming
busy.
here. I mean,
They got a lot of people coming in and out, mostly buying water. I liked it. It was fun.
what are you thinking? Was a rating for just a little excursion?
Oh, this is definitely a fun 10 out of 10 for me. Because I am addicted to learning about nutrition and local stuff. I just love it.
Yeah, that's 10 out of 10 for you, but like for your average person, I'm thinking like 7.
Yeah.
Because 5 is average for us. I mean, but this is fun. Learn some things. You get to pick up some good stuff. I think it's a 7
Yeah.
for your average person. But if you really
Yeah,
love
if you're-
cooking, it's definitely a 10.
Yeah, and you're into like different kinds of ingredients and stuff. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's just too bad they don't have the soda. Oh well.
Yeah.
But-
that brings it down a couple of notches.
Yeah.
7.
But if you
I mean-
ever, you can come get your own water.
We got the case of Empire. We'll drink that for dinner sometimes.
Yeah, we'll have to go
once in a
see
while.
that place. It's in, what did it say, Bristol,
Bristol,
Rhode
Rhode
Island?
Island.
We'll have to go check it out. Maybe they have a factory tour. That'd be cool. All right. Until the next treat. Okay, we're on another adventure today. Where are we going?
Oake Knoll. Yeah, milk. Raw
Oake
milk.
Knolls.
Dairy,
Oake
Oake Knoll.
Knolls Farm.
Dairy farm.
Yeah. So you Do you want to hear a little bit of history?
Yeah, let's find out where we're going.
All right. So it was established in 1732.
The farm.
Yes. The year George Washington was born.
Wow, been there a long time.
This family farm began when a king's land grant was given to their ancestors. But you didn't know that?
Wow.
It's interesting, huh?
Yeah.
And this place also is located right behind the Patriot Stadium in Foxborough.
You think it's the same family?
It is.
Wow. How many generations is?
I don't know. The location is 70 North Street, Foxborough, Massachusetts. The owners are Nevin and Terry of Oake Knoll's farm. It's a husband and wife team. And Terry, in the summer, they do tours and stuff, and she answers questions, and it's nice. A lot has changed since 1732, but here's something that has not. They still milk heritage cows, produce and drink clean and nutritious raw milk. They raise animals on pastures just the way they like it, and the way it has always been done before industrial agriculture. Okay, Oake Knoll's farm is a result of consolidating OKA Real Milk, which is Oake Knoll's farm, and Foxborough Cheese Company in 2019. They combined best management practices with sustainable agricultural to provide the community with high quality milk, cheese, and meat from our grass-fed A2 Ayrshire cows. A2 cows usually have a hump on their back, and that's how usually you know, but they actually have tests where they test the cows to make sure that those are actually have A2 protein, and these have been tested. I've asked in the past, and they have been tested, and that they are A2 protein in their cows. So A1 versus A2.
Yeah, what's the difference?
Well, the difference is that they have two proteins, and they're almost identical. They each contain 209 amino acids, the building blocks of any protein. The only difference between A1 and A2 is the difference in the 67th amino acid in the chain. Do you know what that means? Because I'm not sure.
What's the chain of amino acids? Is a group of molecules, and that must be the 67th one in the chain is the one that's important, different?
Yeah, A1 has a histidine amino acid, while A2 has a proline amino acid. And you can look that up. But anyways, so when A1 milk breaks down during digestion, it creates the peptide BCM-7. Peptides can impact our blood pressure, immune system, and even how our blood clots. It also can cause what some people like to call intestinal discomfort. So apparently, through studies, A1 is harder to digest the human body. A2 milk is bioavailable, which means the human body can absorb lots of it without unpleasant side effects. A2 also is the same protein in the milk found in goat's milk. So A2, so that's why some people that say they can't digest milk drink goat's milk because it makes their stomach feel better. It's because that too is an A2. You never started the raw milk with us. You were deployed, and me and the kids started it. And we were all scared to try it, but we really wanted to try it. And then when we tried it, it was so yummy, so good. And then the next day, we were all surprised we were still alive because we were all worried that we were going to be having all these problems and not wake up, you know?
Yeah.
So it was crazy.
No listeria poisoning.
No. So ever since then, I'm so glad I tried it. It's been great.
And the meat's good, I know.
And I think it really helps because our youngest child he's had it the longest, and he is our tallest. And he drank milk like crazy. He loved it. He loved it. So I think it really works, but I could be wrong. You can make your own opinion. That's my opinion.
How about the meat?
The meat? Oh, the meat. Okay, so we've only tried their hamburger that's from Oake Knoll's farm. Their hamburger is really good, and I don't know which part of the cow they grind up for ground beef, but it's some of the best ground beef I've ever had.
It's good burgers.
It's super good. Maybe when we're there we could ask
Yeah.
what kind of meat they're using for their hamburgers. So anyways, let's go to this place and show everybody where we get our golden milk. Just leave it.
Here we are, Oake Knoll. Parking is minimal.
They have more right there on the side.
Yeah.
I like to back in. It's easy to get out.
All right, here's the farm. Here's it.
Hey, right now.
Let's see if I can zoom in.
You need to bring your own, so we could do a couple of things. Just point it out.
Tomatoes here.
Okay.
Okay. It's a nice store. A lot of good stuff there.
You know what? I want to get, which one of these cheeses do you want? This is good cheese.
I like the sharp.
This is Oake Knoll's cheese. But I like this one, the mild cheddar.
Sure.
They got Havarti smoked.
Yeah. Sure.
I like this one.
All right.
This is Smith Farms. I brought my bag.
Look, they got this too.
More than one.
Oh yeah.
Very popular.
This is their ground beef that they sell.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Yeah.
Should ask them where it comes from. Raw milk.
Look at the cream. See the cream line?
Yeah.
That's the good stuff.
I got the kefir. I don't see any colostrum. Oh yeah, there's the colostrum. We're gonna try that. Roads.
Well, it is good. They make their own yogurt too. From their
Maple yogurt.
grass-fed
The maple
cows.
yogurt's good. The honey
The
yogurt.
honey, and then that's plain.
Very good, that one. We got chicken, sockeye salmon. What is this? Ground pork. Beef liver. Oh, there's all the colostrum. The way.
We always
Beef tongue.
Okay, so how
I
many?
have 2 full gallons.
2 gallons.
And then the cheese.
Excellent.
Chicken tips. Chorizo sausage.
Oh, yeah, he's got a few little habits.
I know, he's like 12. I'm like,
Veal. Good stuff.
Everything around.
I know, right? Yeah, I know.
Beef
Like,
tray.
in here, and I got like chicken feet one time, and then I got the pork
Nice.
pox or whatever. And
Yeah,
he's like,
yeah.
"What is that for?" I tell him.
It's small, but it's got a lot of good stuff. And right across from Oake Knoll Farms is this cool walking trail. We haven't done it yet, but let's get a panoramic.
It's really pretty.
Yeah. There's a nice walking trail we're going to do.
It's called Lane Homestead, Foxborough.
Conservation.
I've seen one of those.
Snapping
They're
turn.
scary looking. That's cool. Look, here's the map. We're parked here. You can do all that. Private property. Oh, this must be the walking trail. Where are we? Right here, and you can go up. Neat. The Ponset River.
Cool. Watch for ticks.
Ugh.
Let's go down to see the pond there.
Look right there, the trail, the storage. See over there?
Yeah. We'll have to do that. There's a picnic table there, sitting area. And there's Oake Knoll right there, right?
No, it's just Catacorn, like right past the tracks.
Yeah, it's right
See,
over.
there's the tracks.
And right past the
Right
tracks,
after the
right there.
tracks to the
Right
right.
across the trees. A little pond. We got pictures of the autumn here.
Oh, it was so pretty.
Put some of those in there for you. Hey, look, there's a bird in that nest.
Oh,
Did it go in?
it just went in.
Must be a nest in there.
Yeah. Is this an old gate from?
Yeah, maybe it's where you tied up your horse or something.
Must have been cement. That's cool. Very old.
All right. It's interesting. We'll do this trail one time.
Yeah, I want to go up to the storage trail.
Cool. So we do a review of Oake Knoll. I mean, it's a fun little store that, especially when they have events, they like have barbecues out here and they take you on a tour, see the cows,
Yeah.
see the milking, show you how they milk, how they keep it clean, how they have to prevent all those diseases. And it's great meat, great milk, a lot of product. And
From
it's
different
local.
farms too. They have like chicken from different farms.
For people who love cooking. What do you think?
And raw milk.
Yeah.
Well, for me, because I love raw milk, I give them a 10 out of 10 because their milk is like amazing. Very good quality.
As far as fun, it's like a 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
But because it's not much fun, but it's got. I enjoy coming here, so it's
Yeah, it's coming here and getting your products straight from the farmer.
yeah.
And you get to meet the people that actually produce the milk, you know, that go out and milk the cows every day.
It's not like a blast for any kids or anything, but it's cooking, eating healthy. That's a 10. 10 out of 10.
Cookies.
Cookies.